We're going to be meeting my big dogs coming from this area, usually at a high velocity. They're the great-great-grandchildren. We're in my carport, if you're wondering what the setting is. That's Gun. Hi, Gun. Hi, Gun. Hi, Gunny. Oh, good sit, good sit. And that's Machine. Hi, Machine. Oh, oh, oh. You're not going inside. You're not going inside. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi, Girly. Hi, Girly. What's up? Oh, oh. Machine, you're bossy. You are bossy. You're bossy. You're not going inside. We're saying hi to you outside. Hi. Hi. Machine, every time. Have respect for a girl that sits. Hi. Hi. Hi, fatty. Hi. You're not fat, you're plump. Oh, she's a good girl. So, Mira, which one's your dog?
This one.
How old were you when he was born?
3 or 4.
He was cute, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember he fell down beside the bed in the wall when he was sleeping? He was like that big. He was like two hot dogs stuck together.
Fall down to this thing.
Right?
Yeah.
That's so cute. And now, no such luck. Hey, big man? Now he's a big dog. And this is his sister. This is my daughter's dog. Oh, you are so rude. You're so rude. Come here, Gunny. I love you. Oh, that's Gunny. Hi, Gun. Yeah, we thought we'd say hi to you in the daytime. Can I rub your ears? Is it nice? Oh, it's nice. Was that nice? Oh, Gunny. Oh, Gunny. Like that? Is that how you like it? Oh, good. It's good. Oh, you can't lean on me too much. You'll break my arm. Oh, it's nice. Smell it. Oh, it's good. Machine, you're very rude. Very rude. Okay, is that it? Okay, guys. These are the big, we call them the big dogs. Big dogs, you're getting puppies. You're getting puppies. Are you going to see a puppy? Are you going to see a puppy? Gunny's getting puppies. Gunny, you're getting puppies. You're going to be nice to them, right? Yes. Yes. And Machine, of course, you're going to be nice to them. You're big, but you're nice. Big and nice? We'll give you a Zelda NRJ3 Big Daddy.
What's that supposed to mean?
Because she has two big dogs, like little pit, like not little. She has two pit bulls. She calls Big Daddy. Oh, he says thanks. All right. Should we see the other dogs? We met the other dogs already, didn't we? We haven't seen you. We haven't seen you, you little sweetie. You little sweetie. Oh, she's a good girl. Oh, she's a good girl. You sit like your mama. She is the daughter of Baby V. And Baby V, so she's basically like a quarter German Rottweiler and a quarter British Rottweiler. No, half British, a quarter German, and a quarter Boxer. That's right. I got it. I figured it out. Okay, guys. Love you. You're not going inside for bread. Do you need to go inside for bread? They need to go inside for bread. That's loud.
Yeah, seriously.
Not kibble. We're doing bread.
Buddy? Hi, buddy.
It's dark. Dark in the house. Machine! Machine! Where's your mother?
Oh, that's good. Hi. Hi, Machine. Oh. No, sit down. Good sit.
Okay, bring it outside, Telly, because we can't see them in the kitchen.
Good sit.
Outside. You walk, they'll follow.
Good sit.
Well, not in the house. They're going to make a mess on the floor.
Fine.
It's not fine. I have to clean it.
Nope. Sit down. You have to sit down. Good sit. Good sit.
Okay, outside. Walk. No, go. But of course, we're all going to go the tiny way.
Nope. Oh.
What? Ah. Hey! Don't jump. Don't hack. Don't sit. Don't sit.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Gene. Oh, that's a good boy.
Nice one, Telly. Look at you, little sit trainer. Machine doesn't sit so much. He's got bone cancer on his back right leg, I want to say.
No, he doesn't.
He does, Telly. There's x-rays.
No, good sit down.
Anyway, some people that love him are in
He doesn't
denial.
seem like he does this thing.
That's why he doesn't see how he's sitting. He's sitting with his leg out even. He doesn't want to sit. He says, don't make me sit.
That's a good sit down. So, okay, you can have one anyway.
Thanks, Telly.
Nope. Nope. Sit down. Sit down, Gun. Good. Good sit. What?
Machine took it, you little thief. Hey. Machine, you thief. There's kibble in that hallway. That's where we keep the kibble. So like, well, I'll take a couple scoops of kibble. Are they coming back out? Dog toys we found for the puppies need to be washed, but we're collecting them in a pile in the hallway. Okay, are they coming out?
Make sure you cut out the music because we get copyrighted.
Oh yeah, don't listen to my music. Oh, I don't want to be copyrighted. Good one, Telly Belly. I can sing it inside and
No,
outside.
you'll get copyrighted.
I don't think I could get copyrighted because my singing is just terrible. Cooking gas, that's a reminder I need to go and get it refilled. Well, I guess that's it. They've gone and moved into the office. Or... No, he doesn't need a rope toy. You can give it if you want. He doesn't want it. He's like, it's a piece of cloth. Give me a bone. There's obviously no meat on it. Uh-oh, I better talk over my music. That is my 5 and 6-year-old's favorite song right now. Blue by Eiffel 65. Yeah, he ain't getting it.
Yeah, he is.
You think he's gonna? He's gonna be like, it's not meat.
No.
It's not meat. He's no dummy. George would get it. He's not gonna get it. He's like, you know, it's a piece of fabric, right? Okay, you guys going back home? You come out when it's dark. Come out when it's dark. So my other two are locked in that doghouse over there. They don't mix. We tried to mix them and wake up to like a bloodbath and torn jugulars. That's Georgie's. That's Georgie's bone. He's been working on that. That's his fave.
What?
They have their own. They have their own bones in their house. Okay, bye guys. In. Gun. Where's Gun? Where is Gunny? Did she not come out of the house? Or she's already by her cage, probably. By cage, I mean palatial dog pen. But anyway, I don't see her. Is she still there? Gunny! Gun! Gunny, go in. 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 Good girl. Okay, well, 2 more sleeps. It's puppy time.